Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking shrimp fettuccine Alfredo. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have sun-dried tomatoes, garlic, onion, lemon, Parmesan cheese, parsley, crushed chili, olive oil, heavy whipping cream, basil, white wine, black pepper. We have the fettuccine here, which we cooked earlier. So it's already soft. We cooked this for 9 minutes in boiling water, salt, and oil. We have our shrimp here, peeled shrimp, and our spinach. So let's proceed to cooking. In our hot pan here, I'm gonna put some oil. Okay. And 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay. All right. We're gonna let the butter melt. Now the butter is melted. We'll put a little of garlic. Okay. And then we're gonna fry our shrimp for 2 minutes. Okay. All right. Just cook this for 2 minutes and we'll set this aside. We'll put some pepper and a little of dust of salt. Now the shrimp is cooked. We'll put this aside and we'll mix this with the fettuccine later. Okay, now we'll cook the sauce. Okay, we'll put 1 cup of wine, white wine, and half of the lemon. Squeeze some lemon in. There you go. Okay, we're gonna deglaze the bottom of this pan here because the taste of shrimp is there. Now we're gonna put cup of heavy cream. We'll put garlic, onions, Okay. And dried tomatoes. Pepper. Some salt. Gonna stir this. All right. And we'll put our Parmesan cheese. And we have to stir this again. Wow, it smells great. Add a little more of cream. Wow. Smells real good. Okay. Then in a minute we're gonna put our shrimp. Okay, time to put our shrimp. There you go. Give it a stir. And then we will add our spinach. And parsley. Give it a stir again. Okay, look at our sauce. The sauce is already thick. Okay. Wow, it's beautiful. It's just beautiful. Okay. In a minute we're gonna add, I think we have to add a little bit more of our cream. Okay, just 4 tablespoons. Okay. All right. Now we'll add our fettuccine. Wow. And we'll give it a stir. Okay. Wow, it's yummy. Here is our finished product. Shrimp Fettuccine Alfredo. Please share my recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you and have a good day.